Hi guys, and I'm from Audio Direct, and we're going to be starting another build for a customer who's actually going away on holiday. So he's going to have an awesome time with his family. Really cool character, really nice. And he's left his pride and joy, his Hummer H in our capable hands. And as you can see, the vehicle has an aftermarket head unit, but it's gone kind of dated. It's not a bad system, but you know, we're the official dealers now for so many brands: Pioneer, Alpine, JVC, that he's got of choices for him as well. And in fact, the vehicle did actually have the updated Bose speakers, but in this climate they just perish. It's very hard to see here through the video, but we'll grab a couple and we'll show you what we mean. The speakers get discolored, they get white. Moisture's left all the cones and everything, but this H2 mashallah is in absolutely fantastic condition. You can see it's been redone on the vehicle. The last thing now is to get the audio done. So you're going to follow us on this build. We're going to be adding tweeters, adding all the speakers, also subwoofer and a change of head unit. So we'll give the customer loads of options through WhatsApp decision, and we're going to carry out this work for him. So before he comes back on holiday, from holiday land, and he's going to have his H2 dancing and sounding real good thanks to Audio Direct. Here we go, another build and another premium service installation and drop off for our in-car entertainment family. And until direct, thank you very much guys.